Alright guys, I will unbox the 14th gen from Intel, the i5 3600KF LJ790. This does not have a graphics card, it's the F variant, but it's unlocked. Alright, here's the box, some specs. This is the processor. Some information. Alright, let's see what comes in the box. It should be a processor. Alright, nothing here. What is this? Do I get a sticker? Oh, I do get a sticker. Very nice. Put that in the case. Some information, how to install a processor. Yeah, let me see. Where did I show that? Oh, here is it. Very nice. Here's the processor itself. How do I open this box? Oh, actually, oh, that's, I believe that. All. Alright, that's the processor, pretty simple. It's way bigger than my last Intel processor. I had 11400F. This is taller, right? Looks good. It's a different design from the old processors. Yeah, look at that. Looks good. Alright guys, we'll be pairing this processor with this motherboard. It's a very nice motherboard. Has their two 8-pin for the processor, so this processor should be well fed. This is the model name, the MSI Pro series from the chipset Z790 B Wi-Fi DDR4. Yeah, and I will cool this processor with this cooler, and I will see how it will perform. Temporarily we will use this graphics card. It's not mine really. I have a 1060. So thanks for watching. So keep tuned. If you like these videos, go and subscribe. Have a good one.